Hello everyone, my name is Murat, welcome to my channel. And today in this video I want to talk with you about mortgage payment because a lot of people for today losing their job. They lay off, I don't know, maybe someone fire them. So because in this coronavirus, this situation, like a lot of company, they have problems. A lot of manufacturer, they stop their work and they have lose they don't have profit, and we don't know for how long time it will take, for how long time this coronavirus will walk in the world. And a lot of people they have problems to pay their mortgage. And for these people, you have like kind of two option or one option, and we will talk about this in this video. This video only who lost their job because of coronavirus is not meaning for that people who just quit from job for like last weeks or last months, and wanna change another position or change another company. No, for really who have no problem, like, and that person, that people too, they have problem, but that people who lose their job because of coronavirus, like they lay off like last week, this week, whatever, or will be after 1 month, like in April, May, whatever. So in most of that situation, different bank have, I can say, like different banks, or different bank have the different criteria. But only we have one news that I don't remember which exactly was date of this article or news, that President Trump on Saturday ordered foreclosure and evictions to cease for 60 days across the US in response to the coronavirus pandemic that has eaten millions of workers. So at this time, they cannot, like at this time, bank cannot take your home for these 60 days, because like if you won't pay the mortgage payment. And also about the same the article, like Federal House Finance Agency, FHFA, Housing and Urban Development, HUD, United States Department of Agriculture, Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac all have announced a freeze on foreclosures and evictions for at least 60 days, as well as forbearance disaster relief options for the homeowners who can't afford their mortgage payment. So we hope this one will help to a lot of people, and also maybe they will extend this monthly payment, because at this time we have we like we meet a very tough situation, tough economic situation. I think it's only my opinion. So kind of we are in recession, and a lot of companies they will cut the employee, they will cut the expenses. So the first they will cut employee if they have the expenses. So also they will stop to rent some offices, and whatever they would what they will do, like a lot of things. Maybe they will sell, they will give back their like transport, whatever. A lot of options they will have. And one most important thing, like one of the most first important thing, is if you have this situation now, you should call to your bank, that bank who gave you that mortgage. You should call to that clerk or whatever, with whom, if you know that uh, with that bank, like clerk, with whom you work, who gave you this mortgage, who approved you, and you should, or you can call to the call center, and you must inform your bank that at this time you have this kind of situation, you are lay off and you cannot pay the mortgage payment. And this situation with some banks they can do, they can extend, they can like defer payment, like Ally Bank did for me for my car payment for 120 days. So I will pay my next payment. My payment was like 31st of March, but they extend, and my next payment will be not 31st of March, it will be 31st of July. So a lot of banks, they have kind of this similar, and they can help you for extend your next payment after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months. It depends on bank. Maybe they can give you more time, because for them it no make sense to take this house from you, and even in this situation, because I think the house market will drop dramatically, but like they gave you mortgage, like for example for $200,000 house, and they will take it, and after like half year that house will cost around 100,000, but they already spent that money and they need the to sell that house, and they will lose. And for them in this situation, I think they will find ways how to help you, because maybe they have a lot of different options. I don't know, it depends on your bank, but you need to keep in touch with your bank. And in this situation they will help you, they should help you, because it's protected by some I think law, something kind of like that, and they definitely will find ways, because even that person who work in that bank, they understand, like, because at this time like a lot of people they have this kind of situation. And another person who in closing process now, for example, yeah, because some of people have doing closing process now, and they don't know what to do. They start the closing process, they should to close, or whatever they should do. If you're in process closing, like if you're paying down payment and you're paying low down payment, you should buy like insurance mortgage. So in this scenario you should buy every insurance mortgage, more like they have insurance with job protection coverage. And in most of cases this job protection coverage will help you if you cannot pay your mortgage. They will help you to pay, that insurance company will pay your mortgage up to 6 months. So definitely you should get that job protection coverage for your insurance mortgage, because we don't know what will happen, and maybe after 1 month everything will be alright, when the government, Federal Reserve, like bank, they will like inject this 2 trillion. Maybe they will do more money. But if the coronavirus and shelter in the house will be same like now, and will be 1 month, 2, 3 months, the economy, we don't know what will happen, what they will do. But it will be like tough situation, and you should buy this insurance, job protection insurance mortgage, to be protected in that kind of situation. So I hope everything will be right, and everything will be right with you, and even you meet this tough situation, because we need to win this game with virus, keep save lives, and also keep save the economy, because if our economy will ruin, so maybe because of that we can lose more lives later, not because of virus, because of a lot of different kind of stuff, because this will be stressful situation for a lot of people. And I hope this video will help you with some options, with some your thoughts. Maybe you didn't know what to do, but most important, like I told you, you should keep in touch with your bank, and bank will help you definitely. Also, if you closing in closing situation, like closing your mortgage, you should buy that mortgage protection. I cannot tell you what you should do with, like if you're buying now, do you need to stop this closing process, or what you need to do? It's difficult to say. In maybe next video I will explain to you about what to do with real estate. It's not my opinion. I watched one investor, and he's not from US, from different country, but he explained a little bit. He explained about real estate and what what he will do, what he's doing now, and what his suggestions at this time to people who want to invest for real estate, like, but in investment in investor side. But even if telling in investor side, so you can take to yourself too. um, so I wish you be safe, stay at home, wash your hands, and everything will be alright. Be positive, and bye.